Hey friends, if you wish to fix the Windows kernel event tracing error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to update your drivers. So the best way is through optional updates. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side, select advanced options, select optional updates and install all the optional updates. The next solution is to update Windows. So in the same menu, return to the Windows Update page and click on check for updates. This will update Windows to the latest version. The next solution will be to perform an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution will be to check for malware programs on the system. So search for Windows security in the Windows search bar and open Windows security. Select virus and threat protection, select scan options, select full scan, scroll down and click on scan now. The last solution is to try using a different software. So if you are facing this issue with a certain software, try to use some other software which does the same job. For example, if you're using OBS Studio for screencasting, then use some other software which has a similar function. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.